Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the past, a relic of paper statements and endless queues? You're not alone. We've all been there, right? Stuck on hold, waiting for hours to speak to someone, or trying to decipher cryptic fees on a statement that looks like it's from the Stone Age. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and honestly, it feels like we're paying for a service that's barely keeping up with our lives. So, what if there was a better way? What if your bank was as fast, flexible, and tech-savvy as you are? That's where neon banks come in. These digital-first, app-based financial institutions are shaking up the banking world, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into the advantages of switching to a neon bank and why you might want to ditch your traditional brick-and-mortar branch for good. First up, convenience. Let's be real, who has time to visit a physical bank during traditional business hours? Neon banks are designed for your smartphone. You can manage your finances anytime, anywhere. From checking your balance and transferring funds to paying bills and even opening new accounts, it's all done with a few taps on your screen. No more rushing to the bank before it closes or dealing with those dreaded paper forms. Next, speed. Transactions are instant. Forget waiting days for transfers to clear or checks to deposit. With neon banks, everything happens in real time. You'll get instant notifications for every transaction, so you're always in the loop. Need to send money to a friend? It's done in seconds. Need to pay a bill? Just a few taps and it's sorted. This speed and efficiency can make a huge difference in managing your day-to-day finances. And let's talk about fees. Traditional banks are notorious for their hidden fees and charges. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, the list goes on. Neon banks, on the other hand, often boast lower or even no fees at all. They typically have lower overhead costs since they don't have physical branches, and they pass those savings on to you. Many offer free ATM withdrawals, no monthly fees, and even cashback rewards. Another major advantage is the user experience. Neon banks are built with the user in mind. Their apps are intuitive, easy to navigate, and often packed with features that make managing your money a breeze. Think budgeting tools, spending trackers, and even personalized financial insights. These features can help you stay on top of your finances and make smarter money decisions. Security is also a top priority for neon banks. They use advanced encryption and security measures to protect your data and transactions. Many offer features like biometric authentication and instant card freezing to prevent fraud. Plus, because they're digital, they can quickly update their security protocols to stay ahead of the latest threats. Beyond the basic banking features, many neon banks offer innovative products and services. Some offer early access to your paycheck, allowing you to get paid up to 2 days early. Others provide high-yield savings accounts or investment options, helping you grow your wealth. And because they're agile and tech-focused, they're constantly innovating and adding new features to improve your banking experience. Finally, consider the customer service. While traditional banks often have long wait times and impersonal service, neon banks typically offer 24/7 customer support through chat, email, or phone. This means you can get help whenever you need it, without having to wait in line or navigate a complex phone menu. So, to recap, the advantages of neon banks include unparalleled convenience, lightning-fast transactions, lower fees, a superior user experience, robust security, innovative features, and accessible customer support. It's clear that these digital-first banks are changing the game, offering a more efficient, user-friendly, and cost-effective way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.